So why is your iPhone taking pictures upside down? Let's get started and let's explain that. If this is your first time here on this channel, consider subscribing as there are plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to help you out so you never miss anything, right? So the thing is that your phone might have the orientation lock either enabled or disabled. So when you go to the control center, there's this like rotation lock, and when you have it selected, like when the button is like white and pressed, it just means that you can rotate your phone and it will not affect anything. And the same thing applies to the camera, right? So when you have it locked, you can rotate your phone horizontally or in any direction, and the photo will be captured as if you were holding the phone in the vertical position. However, if you might have it unlocked, then it just means that your phone can rotate it to either left or right, and it can capture the horizontal photos as well. So that might be useful when you're capturing photos, but if you have already clicked some of the images and have them saved in the gallery, well, you can perform some changes to fix it even later. So you can locate the photo in the Photos app, go to the Edit button below, and then click on the cropping tool, right? So obviously we don't want to crop it, but we want to rotate it. And for that, we have the button in the top left corner, and you can rotate it to the left, but as many times as you want, right? So you can make it go full circle if you want to, right? But it's up to you. Just make sure that when you're ready and when you're happy with the result, hit the done button so it actually gets saved, and then you're going to end up with the perfect result. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.